Well, and that's the thing, folks. It's about, number one, educating yourself, right? Number two, it's about, getting the good advice, right? Like what we're doing today, we're just bringing up the question. We're planting the seeds, so to speak. But don't just stop there. Now, what you want to do, especially because you're going to be talking to your tax person anyway, right? Make sure you've got a good advisor, not a tax preparer. But the tax preparer may know some stuff too, but I doubt they bring it up unless you ask the question. So ask these questions. Hey, what could I be doing? What about this? What about this? What about this? And that's actually, I'm going back several years though. I used to use a company, one of those big box tax preparer companies, and I started asking these questions. And when they started responding back with, "Oh, that's a good idea. I never thought about that." That's when I started to realize, hey, I probably need to upgrade who's doing my taxes. I've never been one that trusted the softwares, and do it myself. I'm like, okay, I want to know. I want some, because they're literally going to mean the difference between thousands of dollars to your bottom line. So don't go cheap, and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, you can pay a little bit more now and get good good advice, good product, or whatever the case may be, or you can go cheap and you're going to end up paying a lot more for it down the road. And so kind of have that mindset, not that you need to go all out and, go the highest end, but get somebody who's got good backgrounds, got a good business mind, and is giving you tax advice, not just preparing your taxes for the government. They're either working for you or the IRS. Which one, right? Pick the one you want to work with. But just to recap, number one, look for those tax credits out there, even if it's just a simple Google search. Single person tax credits available, family of four tax credits available, whatever the case may be, and start there. Number two, the business write-off. Start a small business. And I don't want to start a business. Okay, fine. Go plug into something that's already plug and play. There are a lot of different businesses out there. We even have a fantastic affiliate program, minimal time investment, things like that. If you want more information, reach out to us or get plugged into. There's network marketing out there, all kinds of things going on. There's a lot of different people on TikTok and on Instagram where they're talking about work from home. Start a small business that way in your spare time, but start a business, get those write-offs. Number three is, once your business takes off a little bit, look at your business structure. Don't just stop there. Look at that business structure, what's available. Investment losses, yeah, it's spilled milk and it sucks, but hey, there's a little bit you can recoup. Okay, again, talk to your tax advisor. I've got some investment losses. How can I capitalize on that? Okay. And then lastly is that HOA, and there's some powerful stuff in there. We'll do a whole episode on those. But man, is there a ton you can do. Again, you got to qualify for them, but if you can get in that door, there's a lot you can do, not only for your health expenses for the coming year, but I'm talking like health experiences down the road or health needs down the road. Like, start saving now for your health costs in retirement. Start leveraging growth in that protected account to leverage for your retirement with tax-free dollars, tax-deferred dollars, right? It's pretty powerful stuff. So definitely worth a look into. So again, folks, just like your debt, you can control your expenses when it comes to taxes too. So don't let April 15th be too frustrating for you. And 2023 is pretty well over as far as the advantages you can get in there. But hey, don't let the same thing happen to you for 2024 next April.